Welcome to session 3 of constructing chod rigs. Now we've built both versions for you. There they are. Now all I'm going to do is attach the hinge part, and that is literally the rest of chods. You've got the normal chods and you've got hinge chods. Pretty much simple. For number 1, I'm going to take the 25-pound boom, and I'm going to just take about a 20-centimeter section, cut it off, and then cut it at an angle like there. Now it is attaching the crimps. So the first one, I literally slide that just through. Just take my pop-ups and get them ready here. Then I fold the double, slide it through, and I create a loop. Now I crimp it. Just make 100% sure that my crimp sits upright, and I crimp it, and I cut off the tag end like that. Now I take my second crimp, slide the crimp through, and I take my choddy, come on, hook myself here, there we go, slide the line through the ring and through the other side. Now I want to create one that is a length of about 6 inches. So let me just see there, put that at 0, a little bit too long still. So literally just close it back. There we go. Let me take this out of the way. So now I just pull that crimp so that I've got a little bit of free movement. If I swing that around, you can see there's a hinge. So now I take my crimp and I just make sure everything is sitting where it should, and I crimp it. And I cut off the tag end. Now I can take my puller tool, and my puller tool, slide that through the ring, slide that through the opening, and I just pull it, going nowhere. And there we've got hinge number 1. Let me take that out of the way. There you've got a hinge chod rig. The next hinge I'm going to do will be done with the hybrid stiff, the Chod hybrid stiff 20-pound. And again, I'm going to pull off about 20 centimeters. And I'm going to crimp that as well. By the way, Chod hybrid stiff is the only braid that you can crimp because it's got a fluorocarbon coating. So I'm going to do the loop part first. Like we've done previously. Select the desired size and then crimp it. There we go. And I can cut off a piece of that tag end. I don't need to cut all of it off, but just some, like that. Then take the crimp, slide the crimp through the barrel. Come on, now you want to go in there, good. Then I take my chod, slide the line through, and I pass the end through the other barrel. Now it's again just checking the length. I want it around 6 inches. I'm a little bit too big still. So now I can just open that up, bring that down, double check it again. I'm a little bit too small. And there we have it. Now I want to create a hinge part there as well. So I'm going to just leave that slight opening there and crimp that as well. And it's crimped. Now I can cut that tag end off. The problem with the hybrid stiff is that it's now coiled. So let's quickly go inside and we'll quickly put it over the kettle and steam it straight. Right, we've quickly steamed it and there's the end result. A hinged chod with hybrid stiff as the boom, sitting beautifully. Now for the tank test. There you have two perfect hinge chods. One with the boom and the other one with a hybrid stiff. The choice is up to you. Give it a try.